Okay, Station 5, this is your how to complete this station video. So the first thing everyone needs to do is the team captain needs to make sure that they go to Google Classroom, click on classwork and find the heading Math Stations, and then click on the team captain list. Team captain, review the expectations with your team, and then everyone's going to click on Station 5. It is on Google Classroom, Classwork, Math Stations, Station 5. Everyone should open that. So team captain, here is the screen that you will share. Make sure you share your sound so that they can hear this video. And here's what you will do. So in this assignment, you are doing Christmas candy comparison. So you're using the greater than, less than, and equal to sign, and you're going to click and drag them up to the candy. For example, in this one, I'm comparing 75 hundredths to 80 hundredths. I want to remind you that you can always click on the virtual place value chart and you can compare it by typing it in. So you have 7 tenths, 5 hundredths, 8 tenths, 0 hundredths, and then you start with the tenths because you don't have anything in the whole number, thousands, hundreds, tens, or ones. So you have 7 tenths or 8 tenths. Well, the 8 tenths is the biggest. So I would go back to my station and I want to move the mouth to the biggest number to make that mouth eat it. And then your team captain is going to ask someone to read it, and they should say 75 hundredths is less than 80 hundredths. So you're going to continue with all 4 of these on this slide, all 4 of these on this slide, all 4 of these on this slide, and all 4 of these on this slide. When everyone is finished, you are going to turn it in. Your team captain will be sharing their screen and remind you how to turn it in. It needs to be turned in for you to be able to get a grade. Then you're going to copy and paste this Flipgrid into your browser. And you're going to create a Flipgrid. You need to click Join with Google and create a Flipgrid, and the instructions tell you to tell me what you learned at this center and make sure that you tell your station number. Please make sure that you are working with your team. Please make sure that you're completing this assignment as well. Remember that your team captain will send me a chat to let me know if everybody had their camera on, if everybody was participating, and if everybody was being respectful and responsible. Have fun and learn a lot. Please follow the expectations.